Hello, everyone. My name is Louise Marshall, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. In this short video, I'll show you how to delete shifts on your roster with ease. How to delete all shifts in a roster period. Click the Delete All Shifts button at the bottom left of your screen. This action helps you remove entire sets of shifts at once. Choose whether to delete all draft shifts, all published shifts, or both. Pick only the options you need to keep your roster tidy. Confirm your deletion carefully. Deleted shifts cannot be recovered, and staff will be notified if published shifts are removed. How to delete shifts for individual staff members. Hover over the shift you want to remove and select Edit Shift. This lets you modify or remove that staff member's shift details. Click Delete in the Update Shift modal, then choose one of the three options. Use this to delete only that shift, all future shifts, or future draft shifts for that staff member. Confirm your choice. Make sure to double-check, as deleted shifts cannot be undone and staff are notified if the shift was published. How to delete a single shift in Daily View. Hover over the shift you want to remove and select View. This allows you to see the shift's details before deleting it. Click Delete in the Shift modal. Confirm when prompted, and remember that published staff will be notified of any changes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Happy rostering!